In today's video, a Bangladeshi will talk to a Canadian tourist.
Hello there. Are you visiting Bangladesh for the first time?
Yes, I am. I've always been curious about this beautiful country. I'm excited to explore and experience everything it has to offer.
That's wonderful to hear. Bangladesh has a lot to offer. What places are you planning to visit during your stay?
Well, I definitely want to explore Dhaka, maybe visit Lalbagh Fort and Asan Manzil. And I've heard the Sundarbans mangrove forest is a must-see. Do you have any recommendations?
Those are great choices. Don't miss the Coxs Bazar beach either. It's the longest natural sea beach in the world. And if you enjoy history, Mahasthangar is an archaeological wonder.
Cox's Bazar sounds amazing. I'll make sure to add it to my list. How about the food? What Bangladeshi dishes should I try?
Bangladeshi cuisine is diverse and delicious. You must try biryani, hilsa fish curry, and our street food like futka and jalmuri. Have you tasted any Bangladeshi food yet?
Not yet, but that all sounds incredibly tempting. I'm looking forward to trying it all, especially the biryani. Is there anything I should be mindful of as a foreign visitor?
Most people here are very welcoming to tourists. Just be aware of the local customs and conditions. Dress modestly, especially in religious places, and always ask for permission before taking photos of people.
Thank you for the advice. I'll be sure to be respectful of the local culture. How about the language? Do many people speak English?
Yes, English is widely spoken, especially in urban areas. You should have no trouble communicating, but it's always nice to learn a few basic Bengali phrases to show appreciation.
That's a good idea. I'll try to learn some basic greetings. By the way, what's your favorite thing about living in Bangladesh?
The sense of community and the rich cultural traditions. We celebrate various festivals with great enthusiasm, and the warmth of our people makes it a special place to live.
That sounds lovely. I can't wait to experience that firsthand. Thank you for the tips and the warm welcome.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your stay in Bangladesh. And if you have any more questions or need assistance, feel free to ask.
I appreciate that. I'm looking forward to my time here. Goodbye for now.